Hi guys, welcome back. Let me turn this off. So today, well, long story short, I'm moving back in my parents' house. And today I'm going to be doing this video. I've seen a lot of them pop up on YouTube. It was kind of a phase to do like a Bob Ross tutorial and stuff, and some people were doing it on their walls. I know the biggest one is probably Anya's. I'll probably link that down below because she was my inspiration. But I'm going to be doing that today. This is my room so far. It was so this is the wall that it's going to go on. You can kind of see these ugly stripes. There was a neon blue, neon green. The whole wall was gray and then white. And we've just painted an olive color. The doors are a darker green, which I really like the doors colors. A cream color on this wall, and on the ceiling, olive again, and then the door. So this is gonna be my mural. I will put in my picture that I'm doing. It's inspired by Bob Ross. I wouldn't say that I am following his tutorial because it is gonna be just my own, but it's inspired by him. I'm first just gonna, since I can still see these stripes, I'm just gonna do a base coat of black and then blue on the top. So let's get started. These are my products that I'm gonna be using. Oh, this is not everything. Hold on. Okay. And these. Okay. I'm done. That took me an hour to do the black. Okay. mountains and stuff and trees, I think that it's going to work. Because from far away, it doesn't look. It looks good. Piper's having a fit outside. Let's see if I can see her. Piper! Hey! Hey! Alright. had died, but all I did was finish the green over here. I think I'm gonna touch up where the waterfall is and make it a little less wide. And then all I have left to do is all the green over here. Yeah. I'm done. Ah! Okay. I started at 9:30, I think, and it is 3:40. But here it is. I am going to have to go in and do some touch-ups on these walls, but the world. Oh. Yikes. Mom!
What?
Come here.
What?
Come here. I'm videotaping, by the way.
What?
I'm videotaping. What do you think?
Oh, that looks good.
I know. Do you think Dad's gonna like it?
I would hope so. I think he will.
Did I fix the waterfall? Does
Yes.
that look good? Okay. I just put a new tree.
It doesn't look like it's coming from nowhere.
I'm tired. Okay.
I wish we could do something about that.
I don't know.
What?
I don't understand that. Okay. Are you proud of me?
Yes.
You think I'm so talented?
Yes.
Am I your favorite child?
Oh, stop it.
Yes. Hey! Yes.
What's that?
Hey guys, so I just woke up from from bed, so I look a little rough, but I thought that I would finish the room tour because about 2.5 weeks ago, I did the mural. I finished that up. I moved in. Casey and John moved in with his parents. So in that time, I've just been finishing my room, decorating it, putting some finishing touches on, and then Piper has been settling into. She's gotten so big. Piper, hey. Come here. Hey. Come here. Whatever. Alright, so this is the room. Alright, so in the beginning of the room, I was going for like a boho kind of, I guess boho chic feel. So on the bottom I have a furry blue rug. I tried to do some emerald since the walls were an olive green color. So I did an emerald pillow with some, I guess you could call this like Aztec or like just a nice pattern with the burnt orange color because I think that those colors look good together. I painted the doors a bit darker olive color than the walls. And then over here I really wanted to implement painting somehow into the room. So I had this kitchen table left over from our townhouse. So I put that in here, it folds down. So I turned that into our painting corner. All of my supplies here. This photo's actually from Montana. When I lived there last year, I took that photo, so I got it printed. And then in my closet, I have my shoes and stuff, clothes, and I think, yeah. Hi. Hi. She hides from Piper. So that is my room. I just thought I would show you guys since I've been spending so much time doing it lately. Hey. Hi. I really like it. Some people say that, I heard one person say that it was basic, but I really do like it. It's cozy, it's what I was looking for. I kind of asked for more. I'm happy to be back here, I guess. It's gonna be nice to save some money, start painting. I think in my next video I'm going to be working on the wedding cake since my older sister's wedding is actually this week. It's on Saturday and today is Monday. So I think that I'll take you guys along with that on like my shopping trips and just kind of do like a montage of the wedding cake. I probably won't be talking much in it, but I hope you guys watch it. I hope that you guys like this video, subscribe, like, and just stay tuned for some content. Thanks guys.